हे गाइस, दिस इज मी गीता एंड यू आर वाचिंग गीत स्टडी सर्कल। बच्चों का एग्जाम अभी आने ही वाला है एंड ऑल पेरेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर वर्किंग हार्ड टू अचीव आवर किड्स इन देयर एग्जाम। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर योर 10 tips which can help our kids to excel in their exams. So let's start with my first tip. My first tip is to create a study environment. Most of us parents are making their child to sit here and there. कभी उनको ड्राइंग रूम में बिठाते हैं तो कभी ऑन द डाइनिंग, और एज ए दे आर द किड्स वी आर नॉट थिंकिंग दैट कि दे नीड अ प्राइवेसी। तो हम कभी कभी फ़ोन पे बात करते रहते हैं और उनको बोलते कि उनका स्टडी वो करे। सो सी वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज ए किड्स दे हैव एक्सट्रीमली लो अटेंशन स्पैन, सो it is very important to make sure that their study environment would be distraction free. There should not be people moving around, कोई बात कर रहा है, कोई खेल रहा है, उनके कोई सिबलिंग्स है जो दूसरा प्ले टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. So more than the study matter, that will get into their brain and they will get easily distracted. So make sure that they have a set environment for the study, so the child should give their 100% for their studies. Now my second tip is maintain study schedule. As the kids, they have a study schedule in their classes and the school. They know that which periods on Monday and Tuesday, and उनको English के बाद कौन सा period आने वाला है और क्या करना है, they know it very well. So it is really good if we maintain some study schedule at home. They know that which subjects they are doing on particular day, so kids will know that what needs to be done, and it will be help them to do study regularly and properly. Now my third tip is sit with kids during the study time. If your child is very young, you just sit with them and do study along with them. And if your child is little bit older, so you just sit with them and do your work. So as and when if they get some doubt, so they feel that you are just right beside them to ask and pitch any doubt. Now my next tip is give stress on learning rather than the marks and grades. It is very important that the child should learn and progress. Though the marks and grades are very important to analyze the child progress for the particular academic year, but it is really need to understand that कि कोई भी assessment जो है वो तुम्हारे बच्चे की quality 100% जज नहीं कर सकता. Assessment एक सिर्फ मीडियम है कि जो बच्चों का अंडरस्टैंडिंग पैटर्न है उसका प्रोग्रेस करे और उसको आगे लेके जाए. Any assessment cannot judge your child's qualities, so it is very important that we should focus on the learning pattern rather than the marks and grades. If we make sure that the learning is 100%, so marks and grades will automatically come. Now my fourth tip is make learning time and writing time different. It is very important that the kids are doing writing practice every day, though they have to write paper. It's not like that they have learned something for the particular day and बस हो गया. No, दे हैव टू राइट, दे हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. जो भी उन्होंने लर्न किया अगर वो उसको लिखते हैं तो उनका जो स्टडी है, उनका जो लर्निंग पैटर्न है वो एनहांस हो जाता है एंड दे कैन लर्न इट क्विकली. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टिप इज विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, फॉलो योर किड्स स्टाइल ऑफ लर्निंग. सी ऑल किड्स हैव अ डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ लर्निंग. कुछ जो है वो टीचर के समझाने पे समझ जाते हैं, कुछ जो है वो विजुअलाइजेशन से कोई वीडियो दिखा दिया उनको तो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. कुछ बच्चे जो है वो उनके सिबलिंग्स उनको अगर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, कोई बड़ा भाई या बड़ी बहन उनको एक्सप्लेन करता है, सो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड इट मोर. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पैटर्न, द स्टडी पैटर्न एंड फॉलो इट अकॉर्डिंगली. And my next tip is the most important tip than the all tip is do not shout at your kid for not doing study. As a parents, we always do best for our kids, but when it comes to study, we always ending up yelling or scolding them. Verbally bashing on them will just give them negativity. They will lose their interest in the studying. They may not tell you, but they will feel from their inside कि they will not feel to study with you, will not share these things with you, but from the inside they will feel that they don't want it to study with you. So do not shout at your kids for if they are not doing study. Understand them, ask them, talk with them what is the reason behind it and do it accordingly. Now my next tip is set some target for the day. बहुत कम टाइम बचा हुआ है एग्जाम के लिए, 20 days और 30 days. सो वी नीड टू डिवाइडेड द ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर डे स्केड्यूल्स. लाइक उनको अगर पता होना चाहिए कि 2-3 दिन में उनको ये सब्जेक्ट्स, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, ये सब फिनिश करके रखना है. सेम लाइक दैट इफ यू मेंटेन द पर्टिकुलर डे target that they needs to do these two subjects in that day, and they have to do this question answers for that day. Same like that, if we maintain this weekly target, like this week we have to complete these three subjects, तो डेफिनेटली उनका जो एक टारगेट सेट रहेगा, दे वांटेड टू अचीव इट, एंड उनका इंटरेस्ट जो है वो स्टडी में बना रहेगा, और उनका स्टडी जो है वो लर्निंग जो है वो भी थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाएगा. Now my next tip is acknowledge all achievements of your child. The child is sitting with you for study, so it is important that whatever he is doing with you for the study, we have to acknowledge that. अगर आपको लगता है उन्होंने कुछ टेबल्स लिखे हैं और वो बहुत अच्छे से बेस्ट किए हैं, so praise him or give them something. I'm not asking you to buy something for them, but you can give them little bit play time, or you can give them little bit TV time, or you can make something to for them to make them special. Do not ask your child to do study for throughout the day or from morning to evening. They don't expect that the child will study from morning to evening. No, give them little free time also in along with that. Now moving towards the last tip, and before going to the last tip, make sure that you have subscribed my channel and hit the like button, share this video. My last tip is, parent needs to be firm in study matter of the child. Most of the time it happens that the parents are not serious about their studies. Still we expect करते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे जो है एग्जाम में बहुत एक्सेल करके आए, बहुत गुड ग्रेड्स लेके आए. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी हैव टू गिव सम टाइम फॉर देयर स्टडीज़. हम जैसे अपना ऑफिस का वर्क को सीरियसली लेते हैं, तो वैसे ही उनके स्टडी टाइम को और स्टडी को बहुत सीरियसली लेने की ज़रूरत है. देन ओनली दे कैन गेट देयर स्टडी सीरियसली एंड दे कैन शो सम इंटरेस्ट इन देयर स्टडीज़. These all are my 10 tips for the child's examinations, but as a parents we need to understand that we all want our kids to do excel in their exam, but sometimes we may set some unrealistic expectation which may backfire. So it is very important for us to check what all expectations we are setting up to our kids are achievable and are realistic. This is all about today. I hope you like my content. Bye.